Um, Good morning. It's morning here in Germany, and today I decided to bring some of my Asian vegetable inside under lights because it's getting cold, and I will show you how it looks like here. So everybody's a little bit cold, and it's time to bring some plants inside. And look at the beans. um, it burned. It's not from the sun, it's from the cold at night. So I'm going to bring things, and maybe harvest the fruits of the bitter gourd later. And I will show you here even the moringas. The tomatoes are dying, but the tomatoes inside the greenhouse is not yet dying. It's protected. And yeah, the guava and the moringa, um, they are all unhappy here outside. So I'm gonna bring them today inside. And one more to bring inside. I think only those can be um, and yeah, the eggplants must not be. I tried it every year. I bring eggplants and chilies inside, but um, it's not for them because they are infested with aphids. So what I'm gonna bring today is the ginger, the citrus plants, calamondin, this lemon, and this one, a big lemon. It has fruits, but I don't know if they will gonna make it will gonna make fruit. And yeah, I have taro here. I've already brought the one pot inside, and yeah, what I'm going to do is bring these things inside. I just want to remove the old leaves before I bring it inside, so that it will not gonna create mold. That one also, it's not so like that. At least the very old leaves, and then going to bring it inside. Oh, look at that roots. Oops. So then return back to there. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy if you carry things and you only have one camera. I could install cameras here everywhere, but it's not easy to install cameras. So that the movement, maybe the movement will going to will become fluently if you have at least 3 cameras installed wherever you walk when you film. But it's not easy. The installation of cameras we'll, maybe we're gonna take 30 minutes or more, and then it's uh, time consuming. So let's do like this. Bring these things inside. So I want to show you my basement, where my plants going to stay. Oops. I'm gonna turn the camera. Here's my plant corner. I'm going to put the moringas here and the guavas just like last year, and then other plants, the taro and the what do you call this, ginger will go going there in this part, and the lemon trees will going to here in the front of these things. So yeah, I'm going to show you later again. I'm going to carry all those ginger and then put here, and then I'm going to show you after. Okay. So my friends, plantitas and plantitos, my basement is full of these plants that are not that can't resist the cold outside. So I'm going to show you what are these plants. So first of all, I have here the guava and the moringas. I have four pots here of moringas. So I'm expected that they will going to lose their leaves, and but hopefully, I hope not. Maybe I can add more lights here so that the leaves will not gonna fall during winter. So as you can see, it has flowers, and yeah, every I think all of the four moringas or four pots have flowers in it. But the small ones doesn't have flowers. And anyway, I have here citrus, the citrus trees. I have here the lemon. It has somehow fruits. I don't know if they are going to be mature or not. And here calamondin. I think it will gonna flower soon. This one is a orange tree, but it doesn't have flower yet. Yeah, I will gonna remove this part so that you can see what are those plants behind the citrus trees. Oops, 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 oops. Right. So, here are the ginger. I'm gonna sit here so that you can see. So I have 5 pots of ginger here. That 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 6. There's the 6th there. So yeah, I hope they will gonna make it. Here is a little bit cold, but it's not. The temperature will not gonna drop into 0. So maybe here will be at least from 13 to 15 degrees Celsius. So they will going to survive somehow. And here is the taro. I have 2 pots of taro, and because it's already cold outside, the leaves are crumbled and dried, and looks brown on the edges. But yeah, and here on this side I have again small citrus trees. That is the limequat, and here is the calamondin. That the leaves are somehow insufficient of whatever nutrients. I think nitrogen or so. And this is a citrus tree that I want to bonsai, and it is in a flat pot or bonsai pot. And of course my chili, my small chilies. I will going to harvest those chilies later. Yeah, those are the plants that I have here. And I use LED is a cold light, so the leaves of the plants will not going to scorch, or I don't know if it's the right word, but yeah. And LEDs are not warm or hot. It's okay that the leaves of the plant will going to touch the 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 lamp or the lights. It will not gonna burn. It's safe. And yeah, those are my plants. I think I have it all here, but I still have a banana and bougainvillea outside, so I'm tired. I'm so tired. Maybe tomorrow I can bring the other plants from outside. Oh, I still have there a hibiscus. Must bring also inside. Yeah. So those are the plants. I will going to return those pots in their position. So guys, yeah. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you have some question about the overwintering non-hardy plants, just comment below, and I will try to answer. I'm not an expert of this, but I experimented since 10 years, I think, of this cold temperature situation here in Germany. And yeah, I hope you like this video, and see you soon. Please watch out for my next uploads, or there are going to be late uploads from the garden, but anyway, it's still a content. And guys, I have here this what do you call this, it's like a curtain that is very silvery in silver color, and the use of this is it reflects the lights from here back to the plants here. So I think this will going to help the plants a little bit to have more lights, or yeah, more lights. And of course, on the back of those plants there is also the same see, it's a shiny curtain or silvery curtain. Yeah, I think it helps a little bit for the lights, and because it reflects the lights everywhere, and it's very I'm going to add more lights here where the moringas. I still have spare lights there. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and I will going to update you with these plants onward during winter time, and what will going to happen with them, and so on. Thank you very much for watching, and again, this is Lauren. Take care, everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. I still do live stream singing on weekends, but yeah, maybe I'm not gonna upload cover in this channel anymore because my other channel is already monetized, and I'm going to upload songs there, my cover songs. uh, Again, thank you so much, and thank you very much for supporting my channel. God bless you all. I love you all. Bye bye. This is Lauren.